Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is adizzedis.com, and this is a website dashboard, and this is a website URL. And before the started we can research something about this website. So according to HREF the domain rating is 49, and according to Moj, they don't have enough data, and according to SimilarWeb, this website having traffic zero. So I don't have idea why these things are happening. So you guys will check this website statics as well with another tool. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys have to click on the add listing button, and first you guys will create your profile on this website. So James James Walden, and there we can add our email address. Then you guys will choose your password. Then you guys will select any option. Then after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then you can click on the register button. After this, site will navigate you the category pricing category option. So you guys will select a free op plan. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co, and this is your listing landing page URL. So first thing to you guys will choose your category. So I have selected my category. Then the next tab is to there you can add your title. So in the title section you can add your main title, like which title you guys are using for your home page. So suppose that I'm using a virtual interviewing platform, and hire better and faster with AI. Virtual interviewing platform, let me use something different. One-sided video interview, job my AI powered virtual interviewing platform. Yeah, I guess this is looks good. And there we can add a short description. So for short description, let me use what I'm using. Joma is a end-to-end virtual interviewing platform built for the enterprise and the AI. Yeah, so let me use this for my short description, and there we can add something long description. So yeah, I have already generated, and let me use this. So I have added all the things, and now the time is to there you can add your organization name. So organization name is Jobma, and military discounts available, seniors discounts available, student discount available. So let me select all these, open Sunday. Now so our comes, then after that you can select your country and your region. So Minnesota, and after that you guys will select your address. Then after that you can select your city. So city is Minnetonka. So where is Minnesota City, and the postal code is 55305. 55305. And after that, there you can add your hours. So we are operating in Monday to Friday. This is opening hours. There you can add your contact number. So this contact number we are using for the business purpose. Then after that, there you can add your email address. So I can use my sales team email address. Then in this section you can add your all social channels. So first we can add a Facebook, then LinkedIn, then Twitter, and next you can add Instagram, because only these options are available. And choose PDF to attach your listing and also attach the title. So you guys will upload your brand logo as well. And you can put your image name. Once you guys will complete all the things, so you can click on the submit listing, and you will see your listing was successfully submitted. So simply you can click on the return to your account page, main account page, and you can click on the listings, and you will see this is your listing. If you want any modification, so simply you can click on the pencil icon, then you are able to modify. And if you wanting to add more listings, so there is an option to guys will add multiple locations. So simply you can click on this logo, and this is your listing landing page URL. This is your listing title, your company name, your address, contact number, category is this, and this is a long description, and another details, and this is your social media. Okay, so this is a process for the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.